Staying fit and fabulous at 50 and beyond. Join me as I take on the challenge of staying fit and fabulous at 50 and beyond. Let's see just how easy it can really be. Start with a surprising statistic about health and fitness for those over 50, or pose an intriguing question like, did you know that staying active can add years to your life? Introduce the topic of staying fit and fabulous after 50, highlighting its importance and relevance to viewers in this age group. Discuss common challenges faced by individuals over 50 when it comes to fitness, such as lack of time, motivation, or knowledge about suitable exercises. Explore practical strategies for staying fit, including simple exercises, dietary tips, and mindset shifts that can make fitness enjoyable and sustainable. Present a key insight or moment, such as a personal success story or a transformative fitness routine that has helped others achieve their goals. Summarize the key points made throughout the video, reinforcing the idea that staying fit and fabulous is achievable with the right approach. Encourage viewers to share their experiences in the comments and invite them to watch another video on health tips or fitness routines for the over 50s.